everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's travel with D and Knife. Melbourne City is a paradise for many tourists of different kinds. Today we are going to visit a few parks around Melbourne City. Now we are walking across the Treasury Gardens. Now we are going to enter Fitzroy Gardens. Fitzroy Gardens is one of Melbourne's most historic and beautiful gardens, which is located in East Melbourne. Fitzroy Gardens is bounded by Lansdowne, Wellington, Clarendon and Albert streets. There are a few entrances to this park. We took the entrance at the Wellington Parade near the Treasury Gardens. There are many things to explore in this park, such as Cook's Cottage, Conservatory and Model Tudor Village. Let's go and explore. This is the Cook's Cottage. This was originally located in Yorkshire in England. It was built by the parents of Captain James Cook in 1755. Cook's Cottage was brought to Melbourne by Sir Russell Grimwade in 1934. But the interesting thing is, navigator and explorer Captain James Cook never lived in the cottage. When this cottage was shipped to Australia, each brick was individually numbered and packed into barrels, along with cuttings of the original ivy coverings. going to the Conservatory. This is one of Melbourne's favourite tourist attractions. This was opened in 1930. The Conservatory provides beautiful floral displays over 80 years. There are 5 separate displays each year. The building replicates the Spanish mission architectural style. This is Model Tudor Village. These model buildings represent a typical Kentish village during the Tudor period. Kent is a historic country in southeast England that was known as the Garden of England. Edgar Wilson built 3 model Tudor villages in the late 1940s in England. This Tudor village was donated to the city of Melbourne through the city of Lambeth in England. This was gifted to the people of Melbourne in appreciation for their generosity they showed during World War II. We are planning to exit the park at the exit near the Albert and Lansdowne streets, as our next stop going to be St. Patrick's Cathedral. We will take you a tour around St. Patrick's Cathedral in a different video. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is released. Also, please like, comment and share with your friends. Bye for now. See you again in another video.